A crochet camisole that beginners can easily make. Here is the tutorial. The size depends on the number of stitches. The parent-child outfit is coming. Use Shopple Wall Moreable 2 for crochet, single strand crochet, and a 2.0mm crochet hook. Start with 4 chain stitches and wind the thread back to the 4th stitch. Crochet a double crochet stitch and incomplete stitch, and hook another double crochet stitch, and pass the 3 loops with the thread once. Let me demonstrate again. Back to the 4th stitch, hook 2 double crochet stitches, and pass through 3 loops at once. Repeat this pattern for the rest. The starting number should be a multiple of 4. After hooking, it's best to try if it can pass through. Needs to be smoothed out. Then make a slip stitch with the starting point. Crochet the 2nd round. Start with 8 chain stitches. Backtrack to the 4th stitch and insert hook, and hook a pattern. At the connection between the 2 flower patterns. Then stand up for chains, back to crochet the pattern. Then stand up for chain stitches. Then hook another flower pattern. Skip to flower shapes and make a slip stitch. The next 2 flower patterns as a group, and then demonstrate another group. Stand up for chain stitches and crochet the pattern. Then stand up for chain stitches and hook a flower pattern. Then skip to flower patterns and pull up. Then complete this round according to the pattern. Just crochet 1 flower in the last group. Find the 4th braid needle and pull through. Hook the 3rd round. Stand up 4 chain stitches to crochet the pattern. Then stand up for stitches to hook the pattern. After completion, leave 2 stitches empty and pull. Then stand up for stitches and hook to flower patterns. After hooking, leave 2 stitches empty and pull up. According to this pattern, finish the last group behind. 2 flower patterns are completed. Find the 1st flower pattern and pull it up. Then repeat the 2nd and 3rd rounds of crocheting. Start with 8 standing stitches. To start crocheting the pattern, you can go back to the 2nd round and crochet. Repeat the method of the 2nd and 3rd rounds until you reach the desired length. Tidy it up. Divide the front and back pieces equally. Count from both sides to the middle at the dividing point. 2 flower patterns are a group. Hang a marker on the middle flower pattern. The back piece is the same. Count from left and right to the middle. Tie a knot and start again. Hook the neckline. At the place of the drawstring, insert the needle into the 1st flower pattern. Pull the thread back to hook to flower patterns. Pull up 2 stitches, leaving 2 stitches empty. Repeat until the marker button. Pull up 2 stitches, leaving 2 stitches empty. Chain 1 stitch and cut the thread. This completes a row of decrease. Insert the needle into the first group of stitches. Hook to flower patterns. Pull up the loop, leaving 2 stitches empty. Repeat the 2 flower patterns for the back. The last group is done. Chain 1 stitch and cut the thread. The second row of decreases is done. The left neckline is the same. Cut stitches row by row. The front and back pieces are crocheted the same way. This is what it looks like after crocheting. Thread the ends of the thread through the needle eye. And the other end. Also pass through this position. Tie a double knot with 2 ends. Hide them in the stitches. Crochet shoulder straps. Tie the thread ends. Start a new thread. Continue crocheting the pattern. When the length is suitable, connect it to the back piece. You can cut the thread and hide the ends. Like this. A small camisole is completed. Let's crochet it.